Just a little bit excited for this thing. Woo! Getting going on her. All right, so we just wrapped up this build. Super excited to show you guys this one. And we're gonna do a full walk around of this Gun Metal Fab bed. Being lower as the flatbed, the sleds should be super easy to load. Nice long aluminum ramp here. And then we'll be building a jet ski ramp too to get sleds up, or to get jet skis up there. Check out a little cutout for the fifth wheel hitch. And then we just built a little bit of a drop in there, so when I pull the hitch, I'll be able to drop a little platform in there and cover that up, so when the sleds are on the deck, the skis don't drop into that hole or anything like that. This ramp is super long, super light, doesn't extend at all. It's just one piece, so it'll be really nice for pulling sleds up and down the deck there. Another nice feature I love about the 24 Super Duty, you can order them with the worn winch, and it's super sleek, tucks into the bumper really nice, looks factory, and then you got a winch, so that's super nice, something I love about this truck as well. Up top here we got two lights that shine down on the deck. I've got those wired into an uplifter switch here, and so that'll be super nice. Going down the road, I'll be able to flip those on, make sure the sleds are still tight on the deck, and nothing's moved. Have these little Amazon special light pods. Those are my reverse lights. Works with the factory hitch and everything like that. Your factory backup camera fits in here, and all your sensors mount right there in the bumper as well. These tail lights I got off Amazon as well. They're super bright, and everything's working out really, really nice so far. One of the features of these gunmetal beds is this sled deck actually comes off. It's bolted down to the bed right here, and I've just got a Deutsch connector that's wired into the marker lights on the side, but this all can pop off. What I will probably do is actually leave this bed on and just make jet ski racks, so I can get 1, 2, 3 jet skis up on the bed in the summertime. This is the company that I went with for the bags. Here's my tank that I've got to mount yet, but the bags actually had to do, Brandon did some custom fab work to get the bracket to fit with the flatbed here, but bags turned out great, and they're working pretty awesome so far. One of the custom things I had Gunmetal do is a rack up here for VP fuel cans for the jet skis and the snowmobiles. So that's coming yet, that's on its way. And I'll mount that up there, so I'll be able to have storage up on the top of the cabinet. But this storage compartment is huge. I'll give you guys a little look. And then we got cabinets in the back too. It's a pretty nice finish that Mark did. Nice little touch here. I actually have an outlet in here. This was stock factory in my bed before, so that's mounted up real nice, all sealed around here. Be able to have Milwaukee chargers and everything in here. So going down the road, be able to charge batteries for the tools. And then this compartment is super spacious. As you can see, it goes all the way through to the other side. You could actually get a big gear bag in here, and then it drops down too. So that's just a really quick walkthrough of the bed. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I can definitely do a more extensive video on this bed, but just wanted to show off a couple quick features. After getting it on, it turned out really sweet. Love that front cabinet, even though it does make the bed a little bit shorter, but I still got plenty of space. I've actually got some extenders there as well for the tracks that stick off. So love this build. Super excited to get the fifth wheel hooked up to it, get the sleds out west. We're gonna be heading out to Wyoming here soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions, and take care.